Oh, well, I really banged up my arm the other day, so I can't move it to get it close enough to curl my hair, so, oh, we got the wig on today. And that's what we just have to do. Husband is cooking my dinner outside on the grill. I would like to have just a little asparagus to go with it. My frying pan's got about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melting. I've got a handful or so of asparagus. Throw it in my frying pan. Oh yeah. And the butter is melting. I want to put a little bit of Italian seasoning on my asparagus. Not much, just a little. A sprinkle or 2. I kind of would measure it if I was making more, but I'm just doing a little bit. I'm going to simmer those, put a little top on them. Simmer them for about 10 minutes. Then I'll do a taste test. If they're not soft enough, top goes back on. Cook them another 10 minutes until they're perfect. The good thing is, when you get done with the first 10 minutes, cut a little bit and taste it. A little more seasoning on it. Perfect time to put it on there. So I'm going to get the top to my pan and put it on there. Perfect asparagus to go with my dinner. 10 minutes. They were tender crisp, which is the way I like them. Seasonings, perfect. The good thing is, you can taste them. If you want a little more seasoning in it, now's the time. Put it in there. If you want them more tender, put that lid back on. Cook them another 10 minutes. These are going to be so good with our dinner. Very low sodium. If you subscribe to my channel every Friday, you'll get a new low sodium video that's going to help you to keep your sodium low.